Online students, can you hear my voice now? Online students. This is the hierarchy we had. Hierarchy. And this is the complete structure I given to you. Today, we have to work with set. Yesterday, I took set also. Okay, right. Today I must write program and show to you. That's the target, no? Right. Okay. Let me start it. So whenever we want to work with the set, the statement, set organizes elements without index values and which cannot hold duplicate elements, which cannot hold duplicate elements. That's the nature of your set. So these are some important methods available from set. Set has three implementations: hash set, linked hash set, and a tree set. Okay, right. Now let me start like this. One example program I am starting. Right. I am starting one example program. I am taking one project. Collection framework. Under collection framework, I am taking one package. I'll take M-Access. Under this M-Access, I'll create one class. Demo set 1. Like this. Now look here. These are all implementation classes anyway. Hash set, linked hash set, tree set, they are all implementations. Okay, right. Now, I'll create one object like this. They are all from util. Import java.util. Okay, I'm creating object for hash set ob equal to new hash set. Daily we are creating one object, no, that object. So this is one object. Suppose this is the object I am creating roughly. Sir, what is the meaning of this? If I create like this, what happened? Here one reference created. Zero x11. This reference will hold. This reference will hold unlimited any type of objects. Unlimited any type of objects. Limit not there. That is the nature of your collection objects. For that objects, limit will not be there. Like array. What is the difference between array and means? Array size is defined. Once defined, you cannot modify at runtime. Collection undefined. You are not giving any size here. It is an unlimited holder. It's a major advantage. Sir, what kind of data I can hold? So in this syntax, I not given any specification. In this syntax, I not given any specification. If I not given any specification, you can add any type of data. Now see there. I am adding ob.add. I am adding new integer of 1, 2, 3. So here adding integer object to set. Integer object to set I am adding. Now ob.add new string of double quotes NIT. Now adding string object to set. Now ob.add new string buffer of some Java, adding buffer object to set. Buffer object to set. So what is the meaning of this now? You can add any type of object. Dissimilar objects you can add. That's a specialty. Sir, whenever I want to display this now, system.out.println. Here I am displaying from set. I am displaying from set. I am displaying from set. Whenever I am displaying from set now, see, I'll use system.out.println. I can use ob.toString method. I can use it. Do you remember toString method? Here also we can use toString method to display from hash set object. So answer will come. NIT 123 Java, some answer is coming. Finally, the object is holding. No, the object is holding. Now I'll take OB1 here. OB1 means set here. Set object created to hold unlimited any type of objects. All of you understood this statement, what I done? Right. The meaning of that code is, sir, here one integer object created as if like array only. One integer object created. 123. This is added here. One string object created. One string object created. Zero x33. One buffer object created. One buffer object created. one buffer object. Like this, you can add any type of objects, any number of objects, unlimited, the theory. All have understood the statements, right? That only definition I given yesterday. Here, generic class object reference will hold unlimited objects and any type of objects. Not only generic class, unlimited and any type. That is the nature of that generic class, the theory. So today you are seeing that generic class here. No, sir, I want to add specific objects. I want to add a specific object. Then hash set, you can write here integer ob2 is equal to new hash set. You can write integer here. Now the meaning of this is set object created to hold unlimited integer objects. Unlimited integer objects. All of you understood this now? This is a syntax. If I write like this, if I don't write like this, if I don't write any generic form, it can hold any type of objects. If I write integer here, it can hold what objects now? Integer objects it can hold. That's one difference. I want to hold string objects here. Roughly I'm showing for comparison. Unlimited string objects. Now here, ob2 dot add of some 11. You must write object form. New integer of some 11. Now system dot out dot println ob2 dot to string. Here you write ob3 add of new string of some. Roughly I'm writing task. Right. If I run it, answer will come. Answer is coming or not now, right? All of you understood the nature of the declaration, right? If you want to hold specific objects, you can hold it. No, sir, I want to hold any type of objects, you can hold it. Here some yellow marks are coming anyway. Yellow marks are some warnings. To remove that warnings, you can click on this and you can say what now? Add suppress warning. You can add it. This is annotation. Remove the warnings, raw type, unchecked, removal. This is a program. All of you understood the nature, right? Okay. So that is a nature. Demo purpose, one program, how you are creating the object. So here, demo set one dot Java and output is This is the first demo program normally. Right, look here. Now I'll write the total combination. I will write. All of you understood the syntactical form anyway, what is happening. And this is the nature of your diagram. Here, object do not have any size restriction. Collection object do not have any size restriction here. No. Our next program is like this. Hash set will display without any order. Linked hash set will display insertion order. Tree set will display ascending order. Based on this, I am writing a program. Observe it. I am taking one class. Demo set 2 I am taking. While I am coding only, observe it. Anyway, import java.util. Scanner yes is equal to new scanner of system.in try of s. End of try. Now, I am using one while loop here. End of loop. This is true, I am writing. Directly you can write try catch. Like this. Inside this, I am writing while of true. End of loop. So now outside this try, I'll take one variable, that is set variable holding some integer OB is equal to null. I took one variable OB, which is declared by the type integer, declared by the type set. So value assigned for OB is null. Anyway, now I'll ask the choice. The choice. Choice I will ask it. Now system.out.println 1 for hash set, 2 for linked hash set, 3 for tree set. And if you want to stop it, 4 for exit. Hash set, linked hash set, tree set, and exit. Enter the choice means set is having 3 implementations. One is hash set, one is linked hash set, one is tree set. I am asking the user which implementation he want it. I am asking. That's the meaning of that program. Now user will enter. So system dot out dot println, enter the choice. Now switch off choice. End of loop. Here choice means s dot next int. Here some choices are there. Case 1 break. Case 2 break. Case 3 break. Case 4 break. Default system dot out dot println invalid choice. So whenever you entered exit, you can say system dot out dot println set operation stopped. Operations stopped on set. You can say. Now these two options are running or not. Let me catch it. I must write exit unless it will not stop. What is the meaning of exit? Exit means stopping the program or terminating the program. The total program will be stopped. Now let me run this. Now choice. Asset or linked asset or tree set or exit. I am entering 5 now. 5 option not there now. Invalid choice. I enter 4 now. Operation stopped on set. You are not doing any operation, it has been stopped. Now remaining logics we must write. Whenever I selected case 1, I must create object for hash set. Case 2, linked hash set. New tree set. Like this, we create out. Do you remember? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, the same. We are creating objects for implementation based on user choice. If it is asset, I'll create object for asset. If we selected linked asset, I'll create object for linked asset. That's the meaning. Once I selected case 1, asset is the object created. Control will come out of your switch. This is end of switch. That bracket is switch. When you come out of your switch now, I must ask the choice. In that object, what operations you are going to perform? Right? So here I want to put a message. Operations on set. Anyway, I am giving a choice now. Again, I am showing the choice. Sir, what choice you are showing now? Println I'll show the choice as add. I'll show the choice as remove. You want to add the element, you want to remove the element. I'm doing two operations. I'm doing add and remove. Third one is exit. Third one is exit. Fourth one is fourth one not there. We are going right in the switch case now. Default. Now system dot out dot print ln, enter the choice. Switch off S dot next line. End of switch. Here add, remove and exit. Case 1. Break. Case 2. Break. Case 3. Break. 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 Now, where is this switch? Why error is coming? Okay. Now default. System dot out dot print ln, invalid choice. Right, look here. Now I'll run it. I selected one choice. On hash set, what operation you want it. I entered 4. Again, it is showing the first one. Sir, it should be repeated with the second option only. Operation should be repeated. Now I am writing inner loop. After this switch, I'll write one loop. True. End of while. Here to here. This is switch. I'll keep inside the loop. Now see. Add invalid. Invalid means again that add remains repeating no. Right, exit 4. Sir, not exiting, sir, because I not written any logic there. Okay, right. It will be running unlimited. Right, look here. See the logic? The code increases very high. First only grasp it. I took one while loop. Inside this while loop, I am showing the choice. The choice is whether you want a hash set or linked hash set or tree set. I selected hash set. Hash set object created, break. Come out of your switch. When you come out of your switch, again while loop started. The internal while loop started. That while loop is nothing but you are performing operations on selected hash set. That's a concept. Sir, I want to know the operations are performed on the hash set, linked hash set, tree set. I want to know. Then I will take one variable here. String name is equal to null. I will take one variable. Now this variable I'll write here. Whenever you selected case one, I'll take the name. Name is equal to hash set. I'll take it. Whenever you selected case two, I'll take name is equal to linked hash set. Whenever you selected tree set, I'll take name is equal to tree set. I'll take it. Like this, I took a name. Whenever you came out of your switch, I'll keep a message here. System.out.println. I will write operations on name. Operations on name. The meaning, the name will be hash set or linked hash set and so on. Let me run it. Whenever I selected tree set, see there, operations on tree set. Message coming now. This is a manual logic anyway. Operations. So you do operations on tree set. Now, after this line, while off true, add, remove, and so on. I want to do exit case 3. Whenever I want to do exit, program must not be exited. Program must not be stopped. Only inner loop must be stopped. But we are stopping the inner loop from switch case. Whenever we want to stop the loop from switch case, what is the option available with you? You have to give a label. So I'm giving one label here. I'm giving one label and you can say here system.out.println operations stopped. Operations stopped on name. So break. Already break is there now. Break X, Y, Z. Let us see. Enter the hash set. Operations on hash set. Add, remove, exit. I want to exit. Operations stopped on hash set. Gone to the first one. Observe this. The only technique. Again, you can select some linked hash set. Operations are linked hash set. Exit. Now I select one. Operations on tree set. I selected wrong option. Invalid choice, enter correctly. It is repeating. Whenever I say exit, you come to the first page. Whenever you want to display, exit from the outer loop, you type 4 here, exit, come out, operation stopped on set. Anyway, the structure is constructed. Outer loop is running. Inside that outer loop, if I selected hash set based inner loop is running. Whenever I stop it, inner loop is break, outer loop is shown to you. Only concept. Now let us do that add and remove operation. Let us do. Right. We are doing add and remove operation. If it is case 1, add. Now, If it is case 1 now, system dot out dot print ln here, enter the element. I must add it now. Ob dot add of new integer of s dot next int. All of you understood this line? Say yes or no to me. I am adding to the object no directly, right? Now after adding, you display it. System dot out dot println, you can display. Ob dot to string, you can display. Let us see whether it is working or not. Let me check it. I selected hash set. Observe it. I selected hash set. After selecting hash set now, add. I am adding 12. 12 added, no? Can you see down? 12 added. 121 added. 100 added. 13 added. 17 added. 110 added. 15 added. 17, they're adding or not now? Is there any order? Order not there. No insertion order, no any order. Because hash set will not maintain any order. Now exit from there. 3, exit. Exit means operation stopped on hash set. I'll go for linked hash set. Linked hash set. I started operations on linked hash set. Add it. 11, add it. 23, add it. 22, add it. 31, add it. 33, add it. 43, see, same order they are coming. How they are inserted? They are coming in the same order because it is a linked hash set. In a hash set, elements not having order, but in the insertion hash set, the elements are coming in the insertion order. Exit, come out. Take a tree set. Tree set means ascending order now, right? Now add 11. Now I'll add 9. 9 should come before 11. Now add. I'll add 18. 18 should come after 11. Observe that. I'll add it. I'll take 17. 17 should come before 18. I'll take 20 here. 20 should come after 18. I'll take 10 now. 10 should come in between 9 and 10. I want 12. So 12 should come after 11. I want 19. I want it. 19 should come between 18 and 20. So the ascending order is coming now. Automatically elements will come in the form of ascending order. We are not writing any logic for ascending order. If we use a tree set, automatically ascending order will come. Right. Now exit. Coming out now. So again you can select. So hash set over, linked hash set over, tree set over. Choice completed now. All go with exit. 4 means exit. Stopped. All of understood add method. Right. So moreover, you understood the implementations. Implementations means hash set, no order. Linked hash set, insertion order. Tree set, ascending order. Now, sir, when you are adding, no issue. We are adding it. No issue. Sir, what about remove? Here, whenever you want to perform remove, you must not remove elements from empty set. Set is empty means you must not remove. For that, we have a method now. Now I am using add method and remove method I am using. Okay, right. Here one method is there. Can you see? Is empty. So I'll use this method is empty. Is empty method return type is what now? Boolean. Is empty method return type Boolean means the set is empty. If not, not empty. Now, If condition OB dot is empty, is empty. If it is true, you can put a message. Set is empty. Set is empty. If the set is not empty, you have to remove it. Okay, right? I will remove it now. Sir, if OB dot remove of object. Object means I must enter the object now, right? Remove of object. Integer of s dot next int. I am reading from the keyboard. Now system dot out dot print enter element to be removed. Like this. Enter the element to be removed. I am giving that element to remove method. If it is available, remove method will display. System dot out dot println element removed. OB dot to string after remove. System dot out dot print element not found it. See there, I will run it. Now see there, I am taking a hash set. I want to do remove operation too. Set is empty, no? Right. Answer should be set is empty. Now add it. I added some elements. Now perform remove. Enter the element to be removed 11. Element removed successfully. Can you see? Understood this? Basic operations. These two are basic. Basic means adding and removing. Basic, no? For that set, you can add it, you can remove it. It's a basic point. So I concentrated on basic point. Exit. Sir, what is the logic? Re-explain, sir, here. See the logic. Whenever you selected case 2, of course, you selected case 1, has set. Then you selected case 2, remove. Control will go to case 2. Whenever the control is on case 2, OB dot is empty. If it is empty, it says set is empty. If it is not empty, some elements are there. Imagine it, 5, 6 elements are there. OB dot is empty is false. False means control will come here. When the control comes here now, enter the element to be removed. When you are entering the element from the keyboard, you are creating object and passing parameter to remove directly. Instead of writing 2, 3 variables, directly I'm writing in a single line. So new integer, one object created will hold data, element data. The object we pass as parameter to remove. The remove method has logic internally. By taking that object, if it finds that element, it deletes. If it is not found, it says. If it is says true, it is deleted already. OB not remove means it is removed and says true. If it is not removed, the control will come to else and say element not found it. So theory. All of you understood this program? Right. Sir, bit larger, sir, it is. Because 2 operations. I am not using remaining operations. Contain all, add all, retain all, remove all. Sir, headache will come, sir, if you use them. So what we do technique means we do 2 operations like this, all. Then we work the remaining individually, we work it. Take one small program and we work them. What is this? Contain all, add all, retain all, remove all. These 4 methods we work it. Clear means destroying. These are all iterative statements I'll introduce. You have to wait it. This is size. This is the major program running. Wherever the warning is there, you can write removal. The program. Understood? Like your old programs only, I comparable, I arithmetic, transaction. There I not written while loop, that's all. Here I written while loop. There also I can write while loop, but length will be there. So I skipped it actually. I took only one time reading and coming out, just understanding the component. Here I feel that you know all. I feel that I brought all together, one while loop and conditions, repetitions, and so on. Now, anyway, the program is running. With add and remove operations, it is running. Sir, this is running on wrapper class objects. Sir, can I use string objects? Yes. Replace this program integer with a string. It will work it. Sir, what about user-defined class objects? Let us work. Now we are working on user-defined class objects. Here, example program. I'm going with demo set1.java. Now star mark IMP, set holding, user defined class objects, set holding user defined class objects. Right. Now this is the title. Under that one program, see there. I will take one program. Under SRC, new and package, that is test. Under test, I am taking one class, that is book details. I will take it. Book details, I'll take it. All of you got this? Right. Okay. Now I'm taking book details. Sir, in this book details, I'll take one Code I will take it. Name I will take it. Author I will take it. Float price I will take it. Int quantity I will take it. So all are public. So these are all instance variables. I'll use one constructor. Constructor to initialize instance variables. To initialize instance variables. This dot to code is equal to code. This dot name is equal to name. This dot price equal to price. This dot quantity is equal to quantity. Okay, right. Now this is normal program, what you know. To display the data, I made one statement to you already. Before entering into arrays chapter, I took java.lang.object class. Do you remember? Java.lang.object class is the parent class of all the classes declared in the application I set. One statement to you. So object is the parent. If you don't write also, object available there. Object has some methods. I written that list in your book already. I not explained them. Just I only written and kept it. Because the explanation will be done in the last. So we kept there anyway. Now among that methods, you can find one method known as toString method. You can find it. Daily you are using toString, no? That toString. This toString method return type is a string. And it is public access modifier. Now it is return code plus name plus price other. Price quantity. So plus means concatenation. Yes or no? Code concatenated with name by tab space. Code name concatenated with other with the tab space. These three are concatenated with price, one tab space. And these four are concatenated with quantity with the tab space. It becomes one string, return string. Moreover, this method is overriding method. Overriding method of your object. So this is the theoretical part. One user defined class I taken. I ought to read it and display it. This user defined class, I must read and display multiple objects. The theory. Now look here. Just now I constructed the program now. Yes or no? Integer wrapper class objects. Replace that integer with book details. Answer will come. The same program, replace that integer object with book details. That's all. Answer will come. Now, whatever the demo set to available just now, save this name now. Save as demo set 3. You can save it. .java. You can save it. Now look here, modification. Now instead of holding integer, we can hold book details. You can hold. You have to import it. Now here, instead of integer, book details. Book details. Book details. After that, operations on set. Here, add is there now. Add means you must create object for whom now? Book details of book code, book name, book author, book price, book quantity. But you have to read the data from the keyboard now. So enter the code here. String book code is equal to S dot next line. Book name, book author, book price, book quantity. Enter the name, book name. Author. Be author. Price. Price means float, no? Book price is equal to float dot parse float S dot next. Enter the quantity. Int book quantity is equal to integer dot parse it S dot. Now we are reading the data and adding. Right. Now let us see it is working or not. Okay, right. I will run it. Hash set. add. Why skipping of data? Why it is skipping? Sir, after numeric data, if we read string data, the data will be skipped from reading. So why it is skipping means here. Enter the choice is there no. Here you must write integer dot parseInt s dot next line. Here also. Integer dot parseInt s dot next line. Now run it. Hash set. Operations on hash set. Add code A11 name core Java other XYZ price 1212. It is added no. Can you see that one record added? Add one more A22 name advanced Java. What is that null coming? This I forget it. Okay. Now here other PQR 1300 and 13. Answer is coming no, but they are coming in the same line. They are not coming row by row. Whenever you want row by row, again iterative statement will come. Okay, right. Now anyway, it is working, sir. Go and check in that book details. Author, I forget it. This not author. Right. All of you understood this add of object, right? Only display you must see linely. Okay, right. Now here system dot out dot print ln. Here book details added successfully. Book details added successfully. Here I'll use one more option here. Display. I'm using what option what now? Display I'm using. /4. I'll exit that one now. Exit. I increased one more case. Now here. Case 3. Break. This is case 4. In the case 3, display is there. System dot out dot print ln book details. Book details. For this, I'm using new thing now. OB dot for each. I'll write one lambda and I will print. System dot out dot println. Your for loop became one method. This is one for loop actually. It's one for loop. But you people will be practicing that one. Star, 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 star. That loop not there. That is only for examinations, passing examinations. Code A11 name core Java other sum XYZ price 1200 12. Book details added. Actually, add one more A22. Now advanced Java other PQR and price some 1300 and 13. Book details added. Display 3 display coming on now. So the data is added to set and available to you. All of you understood this? Right. You are displaying from you click on that display, the display is coming. Okay. Exit. Exit. Here. Not properly added here. But anyway, I'll explain that you have to wait it. Now, the details of book are added anyway. You have to remove it. You have to perform remove operation. No. Right. Whenever you want to perform remove operation, generally, it is not a single element in that object group of elements available. Group is available there. Okay, right. Now, when the group is available here, first not empty. Enter the element to be removed. Enter the element means enter the code. Which one to be removed? Now code means string, no? Code 2 is equal to S dot next line. Who went inside? Student or faculty? Why? Ask him to come. You must not go inside the cabin. Go outside. Any company call is coming or not? That much of busy, can't you sit for 40 minutes? The hell. Don't go into the cabins. Personal things will be there, no? Right, look here. Go to. For you, urgent calls will not be there. All waste calls all will be there. Student level, no? But for that, leaving one class and going is a right. Anyway, right. String code 2. Look here. Now you have to remove this code. It is an object form, no? Right. It is a book details object form. And among that multiple objects, based on this code, we have to find it. That object you have to give to the remove. Then it removes. Right? For that, the logic is, sir, I must take one object outside. Whenever I want to take one object outside, again loop is needed. So I am using again ob dot for each some jet. Now, book details sum BD equal to book details I'll explain once again. Time is over. No, I'm writing. Okay, right. I'll explain line by line because I'm writing. Okay, right. Book details, I'm converting. This is typecast. I'm converting into book details. After converting into book details, here, after converting into book details, I must cross check if that book details dot code dot equals of. You passed code to. If it is true, then you must say ob dot remove of ob dot remove of bd. You must say ob dot remove of bd. You must say. Whenever you write ob dot remove, it's not working. Local variable ob defined in enclosing scope cannot be final or effect. It's not using. So for this, we are using one more iteration. Special iterator is there, iterator is there. Remaining two are available now, right? Let us take this new thing, iterator, let us bring it. Okay, right? I am bringing iterator. Right, I bring it. How I'll bring it is, sir, while of ob dot iterator dot as next. It is asking me, 1 minute. I must remove this. Remove this. Iterator object. Iterator object. ITRATOR. Iterator. Working on book details. IT is equal to ob dot iterator. I am writing one while. Right. Here, I'll write IT dot as next. Here, book details BD is equal to book details of IT dot next. Now I'll pass it. Now, OB dot remove of PD. I'll say. I must compare first. If that BD dot code dot equals of code 2. If it is true, I'll say ob dot remove of BD. I will say it will be removed. If it is successful, we'll say system dot out dot print ln. We'll say element removed successfully. Whenever the element removed successfully, break it. Break. The loop will be stopped. This loop will be stopped. All of you understood this? Right. Now, whenever this condition is true now, anyway, I'll run it. This is the program. Now, I'll run it. Now, hash set add A11 name core Java other XYZ. 1200, 12. Add one more. A22, Advanced Java, other PQR, 1300, 13. Display. Display came. Now remove it. 2 is remove. Remove. Enter the element means code. I am entering A11. Now element removed successfully. Display it. Element removed or not? Removed no. Element removed or not now? I am not doing operations on database. I am doing operations on our set. Set is your collection is one mini database. Your collection is one mini database. Actually the rule of real time is the data will come to objects. One object, no problem. Now real time concept I'll say. Whenever you want to register it, I shown in the starting end. Whenever you want to do any registrations or anything from HTML form, the data will come to an object actually. If it is a single data, no problem. One object will be there. The object will move to database. The object data is moved to database. Suppose I am collecting more data, right? Object 1, object 2, object 3, object 4, then collection will come. It stores all the data in the collection and move to the database. If we take Flipkart and Amazon's product stores there, online product store. Yes or no? Now? When you open Flipkart, all products will be there. No, you can buy. Amazon product will be there, you can buy. They are all online product stores there. Now, whenever you log in as a user, they'll show products. How they are showing now? From database, products will come. All are available in the objects. All objects available in the collection. They'll show collection. That only work is going on. Roughly, if it is a book data, database not there. I am loading the data to one collection object. I am doing remove operation on that collection object. Whenever I want, I'll add one more. It is working like a mini database for me. So I am creating that collection. I am adding the data to collection. Whenever I want, I'll remove it. I am doing operation on my mini virtual database. Database also storage. Object also storage. Collection framework object also storage. All are storages only. Sunday class that only know. Storages are 4 types to you. Field storage, object storage, file storage, database storage. As a code writer, I can keep the data in my objects because I am an object-oriented programmer. Object is a storage for me. I kept the data. Not only 2 records, I can keep 100 records there. I can keep 100 records there because my collection is unlimited. Understood? That is the power of your collection. Why collection popular means? Array is not available to you. For you, array is not available. For arrays, only 1% will be there. 99% of coding depends upon collection. The reason, unlimited. You can accommodate the data into collections. You can move it. Not only displayed, not only informations to you. Information is, we are creating based on the choice. Which collection you want? We are creating and we are performing 2 operations. For 2 operations only this much length came. If I add more methods, more length will come. Student phobia. You will understand. This only 50% of students are not understanding. I know. Because again, I'll draw the diagram because my confidence is I'll draw the diagram. Today, I want you to type 1 or 2 programs today. Practical. First program already there. Second program integer is there. Third program, I want you to practice user defined. After typing that program, 40%, one idea will come. With that 40%, if you come, tomorrow I'll make you to 100%. That's only my concept. Suddenly not possible, I know. Student suddenly imaginating all together not possible. That is collection. I know, not possible. But even I must make it array. At least 60 to 70% I must make it. Technique. Student should type first. While typing, He also will get one idea. He also will try. Something he will reveal. Means already worked and came now somewhere. Arrays you worked and came. Some idea will come. Okay, sir, 40% I'm comfortable. Sir, remove operation, some logical differences. I used a new loop, no? For each I used, iterate I used. By intentionally I used that. The reason I must give a notes on them, no? Why I used for each? You know, no? Iterable sitting in the top or not now? Iterable, yesterday drawn the diagram, no? Iterable. In a iterable, three methods are there. Among that, one method is for each only. I want to bring that. Among that, second method is iterator. I brought it. So by plan only, I written that. So why are me? Because I'll give the notes on it. That's the plan. Okay, right. Anyway, this is the logic. 4. Right. See there? All of you. This one. Anyway, this logic I'll explain to you. This while loop is there, no explain. I want to run one case. Look here. If it is element not available, I'll try. Because element not available, I not coded the logic. Let me add that. Add it. A11. All are attending advanced Java, no? Right. Now I am reading the data manually, no? You connect the database table, table should come. Understood this now? Right. Here I am entering the option. If I say add means the data should come and fall there. If possible, try it. If not, don't ask your trainer and he'll scold me again. Right. We both are speaking daily. Venkatesh Manasani, Venkatesh Maipati sir is speaking daily. Because I used to coordinate him because my students are going there, no? Some complications may occur. So he used to speak to me. Sir, what is? And he used to speak that way. Coordinating and going now. Because some people may understand, some people may not understand. Moreover, my students' drawback is I'll give a notes to you. I'll write and type. All will not type that notes. Maybe I think I don't know. I not yet seen the other classes, but I'll be typing the notes. If anybody habituated, no. Suppose if you go to framework, that people will dump the notes. So writing notes not there. Venkatesh are unnecessarily written in notes. You'll be habituated to writing something. Notes will come, title will come, underlining will come, note will come. This all one small diagram will come. This all habituated. What happened? No? The student will be converted to my phobia. That I know already. Enter the name. This is core Java, other XYZ 1200 12. So display I'm taking 3. I want to remove it. Whenever I want to remove it, enter the code. A22. A22 code not there. So here, enter the code. Below message should come. Element not available. For that, again manual logic. See there. Case 2. While loop. Here I'll take one Boolean. Boolean P is equal to false. And if it is code is true, I'll make that P is equal to true. I will do the condition. So P will become true, no? Telecast. After end of this loop, here I will write if of not P. What is the meaning of not P? If P is false, means I'll making it as true. I'll say element not found. Element not found. If P is equal to true, element already deleted, no? Element already deleted. So P is true means it becomes false, no? Let me try. That is coming or not. Asset add Now remove. I'll take A22. Element not found came now. This element. Element not found answer came now. Right. Okay. Now today run the program and come. Tomorrow I'll explain that a bit clearly by giving the notes and diagram. Okay, right. Huh? Separator.